Hello, today we will guide you through how to activate GPU in Google Colab. If you want faster performance for machine learning, data science, or other compute-heavy notebooks, enabling a GPU in Google Colab is often one of the first things you should do. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open the Welcome to Colab page in Google Colab. This is the main notebook environment where you can create and run code in your browser without it needing to install anything locally. Once the page is loaded, take a quick look around the interface so you can identify the controls in the upper right area of the screen. Next, go to the top right corner and click on the RAM and disk section. This area gives you access to system-related options and helps you manage the resources available to your current notebook session. If you are new to Colab, this is a useful place to remember because it also lets you check the status of your runtime resources. After that, look for the option labeled Change Runtime Type and click it. This opens the Runtime Settings panel where you can choose what kind of hardware Colab should use for your notebook. In many cases, Colab runs on a standard CPU by default, which is fine for light tasks, but a GPU can significantly improve performance for training models or processing larger workloads. In the Runtime Type settings, click on GPU to select it as your hardware accelerator. This tells Colab that you want your notebook to use graphics processing power instead of relying only on the CPU. Once selected, Colab may take a few seconds to update the session and connect your notebook to the new hardware. That's it. Your Google Colab environment is now set to use a GPU. If the notebook reconnects or refreshes briefly, that is completely normal. It simply means the new runtime is being applied. As a helpful tip, after enabling the GPU, you may want to confirm that it is active by checking your notebook environment before running larger tasks. Also keep in mind that GPU availability can depend on your Colab plan and current usage limits, so the exact options you see may vary. With those quick adjustments, you're ready to work in Colab with accelerated performance.